Well, hello guys, it's your boy Johnini, and today we're doing a very special. This one is for all my Tamil friends because we're doing a tutorial on a Kollywood song. This is Kanimaa. The song is called Retro. It's a very easy dance, so let's go straight into it, guys. Are you ready? So before we start, this is my right and this is my leg. It's not like this. You go into step right, left, right, left. Very easy. Your leg is going in, out, out. So one more time. 7 and slow. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from here, you're gonna do a roll with the fingers like this. Same time I step out. Right, right, left, left. Voila. Very easy. Again. Slow. 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So far, so good. Then you continue. Now we add some hands going here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same time, you step with the same leg. Go right, right, left, left. And then I move to the right, going look and back. Yes. Again, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Like I told you, it's very simple. Everything is easy. Let's start from the top slowly. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, and from here you will start again. You will start the same. Yeah, boom pakata, boom pakata. You will start the same. You will start the same. You go and you go. After that comes a little variation where you're gonna groove to the right. Pull your hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so it's simple. You pull your right hand, move the way you like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're gonna end up with a tap towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's the end of it. One more time. It goes clip, 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 and clip, 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 At the same time, we jump in towards the right. Jump, 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 boom, jump, 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 boom. And that's it. So let's try everything now slowly from the top. 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then you will start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Variation 1, 2, and 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and 8. And jump, jump, jump. Chest and jump, jump, jump. Chest.